Welcome to the episode, and in today's episode I've got an idea, so let's build. So the idea is an AI powered device that gives you Bible verses every day. So the problem I've been having is I would like to read the Bible again, all over again, but I've not been finding time to integrate it into my work life. So let's build it. We're going to vibe code this now, and I have already done that. Let me show you what it looks like. um, um, so that's the code. That's the prompt I've given Gemini, and let us see. Here is the here is the here is the application we have prompted. So here we go. Here is the prompt right there. Here is the prompt I gave the Gemini. So I've used Gemini to build this because it's easier and it's straightforward. Everything is there, so you can actually integrate everything you need using Google ecosystem. So that's why I've used this. And so this is the prompt here, and this is the application. Let me see if I can expand this preview. So this is the application. Wake up to a Bible verse that uplifts you daily. So it's a bespoke Bible verse reader that helps you read the Bible. And the thing is, I went with this kind of color scheme because there's an email I saw, and I liked the way it presented the website, so I used that, made some modification. And see here, you can select your mode, whichever, how you feel the day, and it generates it. Or you just feel down, you come here, you can select your mode and it displays it. So it's actually a physical device that would give you these so it uses e-ink, so you don't have to worry about anything about how bright it is or how not bright it is. It's going to be really really toned down enough that you can read your Bible verse without worrying about your eye getting damaged. So ambient wake, ink type, simple setup. So this is just the landing page, but we can build more on this. I'm just showing you what you can do with AI. This is just prompted in less than 30 minutes. I find sometimes you would have to go back into the code and make some changes here. For example, I had to make some changes in the top because it wasn't putting the Bible when I asked it to. If you see on the code, on the prompt here, I asked it to include Bible verse, but it wasn't including Bible, the word Bible. So I wanted Bible to be there so people know exactly what they'll be getting. But apart from that, came out well. I like the look and feel of the application. So if you want to build anything, I think it's in the hero. I found it, yeah, here. So Bible verse, it couldn't get this right. I don't know why. So but I then went in here, included it, and that works fine. So if you find any idea you have, come here, prompt it, and see how it looks physically before going on to invest a lot of time and effort into it, and then test the idea. You can put in a sign up form here and it does everything for you. So anyway, that's the idea for today. Bible verse. If you find anything useful here, subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.